Now the wife's been in the habit of nagging me to change over the taillight globe in the back of a Subaru Impreza. This one's a 2016 hatchback. It's been this shape for quite a while. It's not a very difficult globe to change. You just need yourself a Phillips head screwdriver, probably a number 3 Phillips head, or a 10mm socket. I've got a 10mm socket on the end of a screwdriver handle, so sort of a bit of both there. Once you've fetched them couple of screws out, you can just grab hold of this whole light thing and just pull it back, like so. You got your stop and tail light here, your indicator's the outside one normally, and the reverse light over here. And these globe holders, they should just twist out, so untwist, sort of like a bayonet type arrangement. And you pull it straight out like that. Same with your indicator, it'll just pop out. And the reverse as well, they'll just like a in and twist type arrangement.
Now, being that they're a halogen type globe, you want to use something just to protect them from getting any grease from your fingertips onto them.
Now once you've got that globe changed over, it's just a matter of lining the whole fitting back up, clipping it back into its clips, and reinstalling them couple of little screws. Simple as that.